Hi there, Pisces, and welcome to your reading for June 1st to 15th, 2021. This is a general reading focusing on what is most important for you to know during this time frame. I want to thank you for joining me, and if you do like these readings, please like, share, and subscribe, as well as let me know if it rings true in the comments section below. If you want to formulate a question or think of a question, by the time I get to the outcome card, I'll tell you if the card means yes or no. So we're just going to get started with your reading here, Pisces, and we are going to first get a couple of cards of the overall energy or influences of the entire reading here. Okay, so that one wanted to come out. So we have Mars coming out. So this is a very fiery energy. You could be dealing with a fire sign, but this this is to do with, change and things like this, with Mars coming out in that position here. So overall energy. So it could be to do with issues about confidence and strength and passion. It's about passion, but it's competitiveness and assertiveness as well, and like aggression, kind of an aggression. Maybe there's aggressive type of energy going on right now for you, Pisces. So we'll just get another card here of overall energy. So this is very fiery energy going on. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Leo, Aries, Sag, as well. Dominant during this time frame. We'll just get one more card here of energy and influences over the entire reading here for you, Pisces. Let's see if we get one to flip out here for you. Oh, that one. So natural world, the root chakra. So it says here, I am one with nature and nature is one with me. I honor the rhythms of nature and flow with the seasons. I walk upon this earth gently but firmly as my ancestors have done before me. I know when to move forward and when to retreat, when to cultivate and when to grow, when to yield and when to harvest. I belong. So potentially maybe some of you are going to, take some time in nature during this time frame as well. Because there's obviously some, conflicts and, aggressiveness maybe around you during this time frame. So let's just get looking at your reading. So what is the present current situation for you, Pisces? We have the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So to me, it's like, this could be somebody, maybe you just lost a job or you're currently unemployed at this point in time, but it's like something to do with something with your work is not quite going as you planned here, Pisces. And let's just look at the influencing energy. What is influencing this for you here? What is influencing this for you, Pisces? What is influencing this Eight of Pentacles in reverse? It's like, yeah, some of you might have just maybe lost a job or can't find a job. And then the Eight of Wands. So the Eight of Wands is like, it's like maybe you're looking at traveling somewhere, but this is communication. But you could also be looking to travel for work because maybe there's no work in your area, is what I'm getting from these cards. We'll get some cards of clarification as well and a card of advice at the end. So let's look at the base of this situation. To me, this is all about kind of work. Oh, Ten of Pentacles. Oh, yeah. So it looks like you had it all. Like you had everything together. You had money coming in. You had stuff, but maybe you've just, recently had an issue with your work and now you're maybe having to travel for work, that type of thing. But you did have it all. And now there is some disruption here for you. And what about the immediate past? What has just gone on for you in the immediate past here, Pisces? Let's just see what has gone on. Okay, those cards wanted to flip out. One fell out of the bottom here. So let's just see what's going on in the immediate past. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, so you're trying to be really guarded with your money. This is all about money and finances to me so far, Pisces. Like you're really worried about money. You're trying to be miserly. You're trying to save your money. And, potentially because work is not doing so good right now and you feel like should you travel? Should you move somewhere else to get a different job? What's going on kind of thing? What's your overall thoughts about this situation? What's your overall thoughts about this situation, Pisces? What are your overall thoughts about this situation? I'm just looking for that. That's too many. Looking for that specific. Sorry about that if that was loud. I apologize. Yeah, the Two of Swords showed itself. So maybe you're trying to be, you're indecisive, right? You got the Page of Pentacles coming out. So yeah, you want to put your time in. You want to invest something in. Maybe you're feeling like you have to go back to school. Oh goodness. But yeah, you're really concerned about money during this time, and it's maybe causing, with Mars energy here, you know, you're feeling maybe lack of confidence around money and how you're earning money. But with this Page of Pentacles, you feel like you have to learn more or expand or do something to make things work out in the future here. And you could definitely be dealing with an earth sign as well. Coming up in the near future, we have the Ace of Wands in reverse and the Hangman in reverse. So it's like you're not feeling like there's any more passion or action to be taken where you are. So you don't want to just sit and look at it a different perspective. You've thought it over, you've evaluated it, and it's kind of like there isn't anything else you can do to kind of inject, you know, any action in the situation. It's kind of like, you know, you don't want to beat a dead horse with that Hangman. You don't want to just wait around and hope that things will improve, because you kind of know that it won't improve. And what are your emotional concerns regarding this situation? I have 2 cards coming out. The 10 of Cups and the 9 of Cups in reverse. Wow. So yeah, you're just afraid that this is, you know, this is not going to bring you, you're not emotionally fulfilled right now. You're feeling like this is not your wish. This isn't what you wished for. This isn't what you hoped for. This isn't bringing you contentment and happiness at all in this situation. And how are others seeing you right now? How are others seeing you right now? Okay, that one wants to come up. So the 6 of Swords in reverse, like not wanting to give up, not wanting to leave a situation. Others are seeing you like, you know, kind of stubborn and stuck and not thinking things through and just wanting to stay in a situation maybe that is not paying off for you here. And what about your hopes? What are you hoping for, Pisces? What are you hoping for in this situation? Too much. You could be dealing with an earth sign too, so Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo with all these pentacles here. Water sign, I guess, too. But these are all, you don't have a lot of major arcana so far, so, you know, this isn't a major event or anything. It's just something that's maybe been building and slowly dwindling. Like maybe your business is slowly dwindling and you're coming to a point where you have to face the fact that you know, you've kind of lost your passion for it now. In your hopes, you've got the Devil, the Knight of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so, you know, you want to have, maybe you do want to have that passion. You want to have that. You want to be stuck in it. You don't want to be stuck in a situation. You don't want to be bound to something that you feel stuck in. You want, you know, you want to be able to, you know, put new offers out there, and you want a little bit of luck and good fortune. You want things to turn around in your favor here, Pisces. Well, who wouldn't, right? So let's just get an answer to your question and an outcome card, and then we'll get some clarifiers too if needed. So what is the outcome during this time frame for you, for Pisces? What is the outcome during this time frame for Pisces? What is the, oh gosh, too many. What is the outcome? That one wants to come out. Justice. Beautiful. Could be dealing with a Libra. But here, things are going to balance out. Somebody's going to get their karma here. I mean, they're going to get what they got coming to them. So definitely yes, in answer to your question. So this is something that is going to be balanced. Something that was wrong in the past is going to be made right here for you, Pisces. So very nice to see. Let's get some cards of clarification, though. So this 8 of Pentacles in reverse, like this, no work, maybe being unemployed, potentially maybe losing a job or a business dwindling here. What's happening here for you, Pisces, with this? Oh, we have the 8 of Swords in reverse. It's like you just don't have to worry about it. You don't want to have to think about it. You know, you want to move on. You don't want to be trapped by that, you know, the fact that you want to move on from whatever you're dealing with to make money here. And this 8 of Wands, we have the 7 of Wands in reverse. So yeah, you're not wanting to have to stick up for your ideas or whatever. You're not want to have to put up a fight for where you are. You just don't have it in you. You want to move on here and, you know, maybe travel and start something new. And the 10 of Pentacles in the past, like everything was good, you know. And we have the Page of Wands. Yeah, so you do know that you need to kind of look towards the future and put your passions into maybe something else here, Pisces. The 4 of Pentacles in the immediate past. So you know, you're being kind of miserly, maybe hanging on to your money, maybe trying to budget things out properly and stuff, because, you know, you are a little bit worried about financial matters, quite a bit worried for me. So yeah, the devil's coming out again. So it could be dealing with a Capricorn as well. So, you know, you want your independence. You want your independence from something that you feel bound to and burdened by here. And yeah, you're trying to maybe save up your money to get out of a situation, Pisces. And what about this Page of Pentacles? Why is the Page of Pentacles here for you? So you might want to re-educate yourself, or thinking like, okay, well, where do I make a fresh start that I'm going to make money? Right? Okay. And so you have the Six of Pentacles coming out. So you think like, maybe, you know, is there a situation that someone, you know, can help me out here, that I can go to for help here? And this is equal give and take. So you basically think like, maybe you can get some assistance from someone here to maybe re-educate yourself on a matter, or, you know, to help with earning income. So this Ace of Wands, so you're lacking passion. You got Temperance in reverse. So yeah, there's not a lot of balance and harmony. There's not a lot of passion in your situation right now. And you just don't want to wait around, Pisces. You don't want to wait around in this situation anymore. So the Hangman in reverse, we have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this collaborating, you know, you collaborate with others, but you're tired of kind of waiting on the others as well. So you're tired of waiting and trying to look from their perspective. You want to just, you know, move on, because things are becoming unharmonious in that. So yeah, the Ten of Cups in reverse and the Nine of Cups in reverse. So this isn't something like you're fearing that this is not what you wanted. This is not what you signed up for here, Pisces. So the Six of Swords, how others are seeing you, like you just don't want to let things go. You don't want to let things drop and move on. You know, you want to keep the whatever going. So we got the Four of Swords coming out to clarify that. So, you know, you could, this is like, you know, you might go on rest and recuperation here. You might be recovering from injury, but I feel like with this natural world coming out overall is like, you want to maybe go in nature and take a break in nature during this time frame, with that Four of Swords coming out. So the Wheel of Fortune, what you're hoping for is you're hoping for a bit of good luck. You might want to be able to put your offers in elsewhere type of thing. And yeah, the Justice card coming out again. Yes, you want justice for sure. You want balance in a situation. You want things to be made right here, Pisces. And then we'll just get a clarifier on the Justice card itself. Again, could be dealing with a Libra. And you have a Death card. So you want things to transform. Could be dealing with a Scorpio as well. But you want complete transformation here. And, you know, you want the self-confidence and you want to take action. You know, Mars is fiery action, but it is a little, there's conflict going on as well with the Mars energy there. So we'll just get a card of advice for you here from the Getting Into the Vortex Oracle deck here for relationship cards. And so they're quite interesting too. And just for a card of advice for you, Pisces, during this time frame, what might be helpful for you to know to help deal with this situation. That one wants to come. So let's just see what it has to tell us. Beneficial beliefs feel better when I think them. So it says, there are things in your environment that you believe that match what you want. And there are all kinds of things in your environment that you believe that defy what you want. How would you ever sort them out? How do you know the active beliefs within you that serve you well and the active beliefs that do not serve you? How do you know the beneficial beliefs from the detrimental ones? The beneficial beliefs feel better when you think them. The detrimental ones feel worse when you think them. So when you're thinking thoughts and, you know, or beliefs that are good for you, it feels good. If it doesn't feel good, it's not serving you. So that was a very interesting reading for you, Pisces. Thank you again for joining me. If you do like these readings, please like, share, and subscribe, as well as let me know if it rings true in the comments section below. And I'll see you again in the middle of June.